So supposedly up here, there is a pedestrian sign by this crosswalk that somehow somebody managed to knock it over. What the hell is it? Oh, there it is. Alright, well that's an easy one. That's just a splice. There it is. There's the lights on so we don't get a ticket. And we'll go bang this one in. I think we'll put it back here by the crosswalk. Oh. Need a pair of shoes? A pair of shoes for you. They're free. Alright. Weapons of destruction on this job. 3.5 foot splice. Post driving cap so you don't wreck the crap out of the top of it. Goes on like that. And the 16-pound sledge. I have a 12. This goes in faster. The hammer out in case you gotta do any adjustments. Remember, put a cap away. They get lost easily. There's our crappy sign that they want us to put back up. That old hardware that we gotta take out. Half-inch wrench. Half-inch impact gun. Blow this stuff off. Not so easy. I'll show you why. This one used to have a breakaway post. This might put on a long nut on the back. So I don't even know how the hell he did it. So I'll just have to cut it off with the angle grinder. Done. Over here. We use grade 5, whoops, 1.25" zinc plated bolts with lock nut, nylock nuts. No need for washers or anything else. And they don't rust. So we're going to take our impact and our gun, put it on there. This sign is supposed to be good, but this will be inch away. There's a little. Done. So this is, we keep our sledgehammers under the seat in the back of the truck. Got 12 pound, 16 pound I just used. 4-foot pipe wrench for tweaking out post iron concrete that got twisted, or putting a post, you hit a rock and the post twists a little bit. Put the wrench on it, bends almost anything. Up here we have the storage. Angle grinder, impact gun that I just used, big impact gun for more changing tires on the trailer and truck, and then just a drill for drilling concrete, stuff like that. We have bucket of lock nuts, short bolts, long bolts, and all miscellaneous garbage tools that go along with it.